Welcome to Archiesense. A vintage stone house on a Hudson Valley mountaintop underwent a major transformation. From a large two-story home, the building was renovated into a one-story home with a modern barn style. The original stone walls typical of the area were retained and combined with a metal roof and cedar siding to create a rugged and natural look. The main concept of this home was to bring the beauty of the outdoors indoors with lots of windows and large sliding doors. The main space of this home has an open design that unites the living room, dining room, and kitchen. High ceilings and large windows allow natural light to flow in, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. A feature wall with a projector screen and a wood stove are the focal points of this space. The use of materials such as iron, wood, and industrial pendant lights give a modern touch to the home's design. The interior of this home is dominated by neutral colors such as white and gray, with wood and metal accents. The kitchen is equipped with a large window that overlooks the sunset view. The bedrooms and bathrooms are designed in a modern rustic style, using materials such as marble, oak, and unique chandeliers. Each room is carefully designed to provide comfort and tranquility for its occupants. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.